Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. It is 6:17 and 38 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, hormone ghrelin. So let's hop to it here. Hunger hormone ghrelin affects monetary decision making. High ghrelin levels in healthy females predict more impulse choices, the researchers say. Date March 21st, 2021. Source, the Endocrine Society. Summary. Higher levels of the stomach-derived hormone ghrelin, which stimulates appetite, predict a greater preference for smaller immediate monetary rewards over larger delayed financial rewards, a new study finds. This research presents novel evidence in humans that ghrelin, the so-called hunger hormone, affects monetary decision-making. The recent research findings in rodents suggest that the ghrelin may play a part in impulse choices and behaviors. The results indicate that ghrelin might play a broader role than previously acknowledged in human reward-related behavior and decision-making, such as monetary choices. This will hopefully inspire future research into its role in food-independent human perception and behavior. Ghrelin signals the brain for the need to eat and may modulate brain pathways that control reward processing. Levels of ghrelin fluctuate throughout the day, depending on food intake and individual metabolism. This study included 84 female participants, ages 10 to 22 years, 50 with a low-weight eating disorder, such as anorexia nervosa, and 34 healthy control participants. The research team tested blood levels of total ghrelin before and after a standardized meal. That was the same for all participants who had fasted beforehand. After the meal, participants took a test of hypothetical financial decisions, called the delay discounting test. They were asked to make a series of choices to indicate their preference for a smaller immediate monetary reward or a larger delayed amount of money. For instance, 20 today or 80 in 14 days. Healthy girls and young women with higher ghrelin levels were more likely to choose the immediate but smaller monetary reward rather than waiting for a larger amount of money. The researchers reported, the preference indicates more impulse choices. The relationship between ghrelin level and monetary choices was absent in age-matched participants with a low-weight eating disorder. People with this eating disorder are known to have ghrelin resistance. The research finding might be another indicator of a disconnect between ghrelin signaling and behavior in this population. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.